Life is a game. But for you to win, you have to play first. Sometimes you are not playing the game of life. Sometimes you are not even playing. How do you play? You start with being clear. For most people, success is just earning money. For me, success is earning money while serving people, creating significance to the lives of people.
Ang question ko lang po is, a lot of people here, simula pa lang po nung pagkapasok ko po dyan sa sliding door, is I saw them with a big smile in their face. And I think that for me is facing a lot of people with a smile in your face is a really big part of being a businessman. And it feels like they love what they do, and I want to find that in me. So what do you think I should do po?
I'm gonna give you an example na lang. If someone is doing the things that they don't wanna do, will they smile? Of course not. Di nila gusto eh. If someone is forced to do something, will they smile? Of course. You can push, don't get me wrong, but everything should start with agreements. Di ba nag-agree ka? Gusto mo to. Right? So, kailangan clear ka muna. Ano ba yung gusto mo? Pag malinaw na sa'yo yung gusto mo, makikita mo na rin na, so itong gusto ko, makukuha ko dun sa vehicle na yon. Right?
Yes.
So, alam mo na ngayon yung gagawin mo. Pag alam mo na yung gagawin mo, mapapangiti ka talaga eh. Kasi you know exactly what you want, and that's the biggest blessing in the world. It's to know what you want. Because a lot of people doesn't even know what they want. Kaya nga sila nagkakamali. Hindi nila alam yung gusto nila. Nagigets mo ako? So, pag malinaw na yon, alam mo na yung gusto mo, alam mo na yung gagawin mo, nakaka-excite mag-take ng action. Kasi alam mo na eh. Di ba may mga role-playing games na parang ang hirap i-solve? Na parang, nasaan na? Paano ko masosolve yung next problem? Pero pag alam mo na, yun lang pala. Kahit pa ulit-ulit ka mag-fail, alam mo na kung ano yung next step eh. Same goes with this. Life is a game. But for you to win, you have to play first. Sometimes you are not playing the game of life. Sometimes you are not even playing. How do you play? You start with being clear. What do you want ba? What's your name again? What's your name?
Leonard po. Leonard.
Ano gusto mo?
Yumaman.
Gano'ng kayaman?
Maging multi-millionaire.
Magkano yung multi-millionaire sa'yo?
Multi-millionaires, probably 36 million.
36 million?
Yeah.
Okay. So 36 million. Bago ka makarating sa 36 million, magkano yung gusto mong kitain ngayong taon?
Ngayong taon po is 250,000.
This year. Oh, that's really achievable. So, ano yung mga vehicle na naiisip mo to earn 250,000 this year? That's a good thing.
Yes,
No, while you are in that, ang dali naman ng goal mo, 250,000 this year. Achievable siya. So, pag na-achieve mo na siya, on your journey, doon mo na madidiscover, gusto ko pala to. Nakaka-enjoy pala to. Kasi, minsan, kaya hindi natin madiscover yung gusto natin, we are around people na hindi rin nila alam yung gusto nila. If you are always in this space, masaya yung mga tao, even if there are attendees here, but most people is like, okay, now I know what I want, and stuff like that. Automatic, madadala yung energy eh. Madadala ka, ang tawag doon collective consciousness. Have you been in a funeral? Lamay.
Apo.
Lamay. Malungkot ba sa lamay?
Apo.
Minsan lang may sugal. May baraha. Minsan nag-enjoy sila doon. But sa lamay, normally malungkot.
Yes po.
Sa church, may church na masaya, may church na solemn.
Apo.
Sa library, laging tahimik. Right? So, ang tawag doon is collective consciousness. The people in the room produces the level of energy. Here in this space, we focus on being millionaires. We focus on creating results. We focus on transformation. That is why the space, the feeling that you have is like, everyone knows what they want. You have to engage yourself more in stuff like this. When you do that, automatic, makukuha mo. Magigets mo. Pero it's the environment. Nagets mo ako?
Yes po, sir.
Alright? So, ang gagawin mo ngayon is to just try. And then do your best. And then as you do your best, you will meet people. Ito pa lang eh. You will meet ang daming millionaires here. You have coach of professional athletes. You have here CFO, CEO. Multi-millions already. They are already multi-millionaires, by the way. They own a lot of properties. Here, you have the team of Wolforge. They are also future millionaires. Itong space na to. So it's like you are not here to find what you want. You are here to enjoy it. You are a receiver now of our smile. It's not yet your turn to be a staffing team. Not yet. and smile to the people. Your job is to receive now. Enjoying ko yung experience na may mga taong nandito para mag-serve. Because at some point in the future, maybe you will serve with us. I don't know. Maybe you'll enjoy serving with us. For now, you receive the energy. You receive the love from the people. You enjoy the conversation, right? Because we are here to serve. We are here to connect. Because the next level here is because my standards is success. For most people, success is just earning money. For me, success is earning money while serving people. Creating significance to the lives of people. Creating transformation. And I don't care when I'm with my baby. I don't care when I'm with my baby. Hindi nyo alam, Justin Bieber. Are you with me?
Yes.
Alright? You enjoy it lang. And then usap kayo ni Jeff. Learning. Palakpakan naman natin, guys.